Hello all, welcome to Techno channel. Topic is permutations and combinations. I made two videos on this topic. In this video we will see about permutations and few examples on it. In another video I made it purely on combinations. Please check the below link in description for combinations. Before going to this video, please subscribe to this channel for more content on Aptitude. Let's see what is permutations and few examples on it. Permutation is a distinct interpretation of a provided number of components, which carries one by one or few of them or all at a time. Permutation is nothing but arrangement, arranging the things in a different ways. Let's see permutation formula. Permutation formula is used to find the number of ways to pick r things out of n different things in a specific order, and here replacement is not allowed. So we can write it as npr equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Arranging r things out of n different things can be written as npr, if you see here like this. So npr can be written as n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let's see an example here. We have three letters ABC. We want only two letters from ABC. How many ways we can arrange two letters from ABC? So we can write AB, AC, BA, BC, CA and CB. We can write 6 ways from the three letters. So we can write this as 3p2 permutations. So here 3p2 means 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. So 3 factorial is 6. So we can write it in 6 ways here. Let's see few problems on permutations topic. Here the question is, how many 4-digit numbers can make from 1 to 6 numbers without repetition? We need to write number of 4-digit numbers using the numbers between 1 and 6. So we have total 6 numbers here and we need to pick 4 numbers from these 6 numbers. We can write it as 6p4. We have a formula as npr equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Here the n is 6 and p is 4. So 6p4 equal to 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial. So here we can write it as 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Here 6 factorial is 720. So 720 by 2 is 360. So we can write it in 360 ways. So using 1 to 6 numbers, we can write 360 numbers of 4-digit numbers without repetition. Next question. In how many different ways all letters of rainbow can be arranged without repeating any letter? So here the rainbow is 7 letters. So we can write it as 7p7. 7 letters can be arranged in 7p7 ways without repeating any letter. So here 7p7 is 7 factorial by 7 minus 7 factorial. So here 7 minus 7 factorial is 0 factorial. 7 factorial by 0 factorial. 0 factorial means 1 here. So here 7 factorial is the answer. The value of 7 factorial is 5040. Rainbow can be arranged in 5040 ways without repeating any letter in it. Let's see same example with few more complications in it. In how many different ways all letters of rainbow can be arranged? So that starting with N and do not end with B. Second one is all vowels should be together. Third one is no two vowels should be together. Let's see the first one. The starting number should be N and it shouldn't be end with B. Here rainbow is 7 letters. If it is not end with B, here N is already been taken. So it is not B. Then how many ways we can be write it as? Out of 7 we cannot write 2 values here. So last value can have 5 letters. So here remaining we have 5 places. In these 5 places we can write anything in the rainbow letter. So we can write here as 5p5. That means 5 factorial. So these 5 ways can be written as 5 factorial ways. So if you see whole thing, 5 factorial into 5 ways. Starting with n and shouldn't end with b. That means 5 factorial into 5 ways. 5 factorial is 120 into 5, that equal to 600 ways. In 600 ways we can arrange the rainbow letter with starting with n and shouldn't end with b. Let's see second question. All vowels together. Here in rainbow letter we have vowels a, I, o. Remaining these 4 are consonants R, N, B, W. We need to write all the vowels in one place, so assume all these 3 vowels at one letter and 4 different consonants, total 5 letters here. Yeah, four different consonants, four, and all vowels we are taking it as one place. So we are taking five places here. So these five places can be written as 5p5, that is 5 factorial ways. Okay. In these vowels we have three vowels. So these three vowels can change. So these three vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Here it is AIO, it can be IAO, it can be OIA, it can be AOI. Like this, it can be internally arranged in 3 factorial ways. So overall, we can write it as 5 factorial into 3 factorial ways. So here the 5 factorial is 120 and 3 factorial is 6. So we can write total 720 ways. By writing all vowels together, we can write rainbow letter as 720 ways. Let's see the third question. No two vowels should be together. That means after every vowel, consonant should come. So we have total four consonants. So for four consonants, we can write it in five different places. We can write here vowel, we can write here, here. So we have five different ways to write the vowel. We have total three vowels and we have five different places to write the vowels because every vowel should separate with the consonant here. All these five vowels can be written as 5p3 ways. So all these four consonants can be written as 4 factorial ways. So by combining this, we can write it as 5p3 into 4 factorial ways. So here the 5p3 means 60 and 4 factorial is 24. So 60 into 24, we can write it as 1440 ways. Without writing vowels together, we can write rainbow letter as 1440 ways. This is the way to solve the permutations problems. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Check the video in the description for the combinations topic and problems.